underneath the covers where they couldn't double.
Hey guys, what's up? Game just ended. Eagles lost to the Cardinals. I had the 4-point with the Cardinals. So that worked out well. But yeah, just showing you since we're on this day today. Today's jersey. I don't know if you know who number 23 is in this color, but this is Marshawn Lynch. I don't know if you can see the back. I don't know, whatever. But anyway, I don't know, this is my messy desk in my room. What I have today, I went to the hobby shop really quickly. I didn't really get a chance to look at much stuff, but I grabbed a ton. I grabbed a ton of packs of everything. So, alright, we have a ton of stuff. I'm going to have to do 3 separate videos on the packs. But I'm going to go back again on Wednesday. I'm going to meet with him specially so I can see what kind of boxes he can have and hook me up with some deals. So I'm going to have these 3 videos, and then I'm going to go back to the shop Wednesday. And then Wednesday I'll have more stuff. And then I'm still waiting on a package in the mail. That might come tomorrow, so I'm not 100% sure. But here's our... I don't know how this is going to set up. I don't know. Maybe. I have a mixed little goodie box of some packs here. We got a Heroes. We got a Select. We got a Bowman Chrome. Got a Leaf Rookies and Stars. They're all hobby. Says hobby. Regular Bowman. A Topps Chrome. A Donruss Elite. A Leaf Certified. And a Donruss Classic. So that's going to be the first video. I don't know which one to do first. I'll go by what I think isn't the best products first. We'll do Bowman, then we'll do Select, then we'll do Bowman Chrome, then we'll do Topps Chrome, then Leaf Certified. I'll do that. Alright, so I'll go from the bottom first. Alright. Hopefully, if we get some hits here, that'd be great. Get some good rookies out of Bowman, though. Alright, we got Eli, Callis Campbell. Oh, we got a Matt Ryan for the Falcons. There we go. There's a Matt Ryan. We got a Chris Johnson for the Titans. We got Cliff Averill for the Lions, rookie. Another rookie for the Titans, Jason Jones. We got an insert here. Joseph Adai for the Colts. Short print, number to 500. It's hard to see because my light over here is extremely bright. A gold Willie Parker insert for the Steelers. And our Chromes are Brian Keel and Zach Bowman, Giants and Bears. Alright. Alright, this is Score Select. John Lynch, Matt Leinart, Ronald Curry. For the Saints, we got a Will Smith, Red Zone, 21 of 30. It's a pretty solid hit. And Eli Manning. Bowman Chrome. Just probably buying the straight Bowman and getting the 2 Chromes is probably the better way to go. Chris Chambers, Torrey Holt. Okay, it would be an X-Fractor, number 25 out of 250 of head coach of the Dolphins, Tony Sparano. And a Ray Rice Chrome. A head coach refractor. Alright, here goes Topps Chrome. Andre Johnson, Larry Fitzgerald, Deion Sanders Chrome insert, and then Eric Ainge rookie for the Jets, and Andy Reid breathes so heavy it sounds like he's out of breath. He takes a breath out after every freaking word. Alright, Leafs rookies and stars. Well, Adrian Peterson, Carson Palmer, Ronnie Brown, Devin Hester, Vernon Davis. Alright, football heroes, Upper Deck heroes. Alright, Glenn Dorsey, Tashard Choice, that goes to the Cowboys, that's a rookie. Marion Barber, Derek Anderson, Tony Romo. Michael Johnson, that's a non-sport, so I guess that goes to the non-sport spot, which I think I have. And this is also a non-sport. 7 out of 75, Michael Johnson. And there was a Browns Jim Brown in there. Oh, and Glenn Dorsey's the Chiefs, or even though it's LSU. Okay. Alright, Donruss Elite, let's go. Let's get a hit here. Chad Johnson, Hines Ward, Larry Johnson for the Chiefs, 530 out of 800, and then Marvin Harrison, Anquan Bolden. Alright, Leap certified. Ben Roethlisberger, Julius Jones, D'Angelo Williams, Devin Hester, and Adrian Peterson. And this last pack to finish out this first little video. I'm trying to do, I have a bunch of stuff. This counts as, one full whatever, but, I just separated them per video, so I didn't have to do so much. We got Andre Johnson, a legend for the Colts, John Mackley, 701 out of 999, and then Edgar and James, Lawrence Maroney, and Frank Gore. And this is part 1 of today's video. I have 2 more parts coming up, and a bunch more packs, so hopefully we'll have some better luck in those. Alright guys, later.